Yeah, 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 yeah. Listen, look. Niggas talk about shit, but they ain't really bout it. Put a clip all in the crowd, like damn, a nigga crowded, blunt hitting like a speaker, so you know that it's the loudest. Middle finger in the face of any haters that doubt it. Nay, we might think alike, but you can feel my pain. Like all the shit that's in my brain is driving me insane. Like the snitches in the feds, they keep bringing up my name. Watching First 48, like I'ma be the same. And I ain't gonna tell y'all no more after that, it's exclusive. So wait and see, you feel me? Get 'em.